welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I recently visited Portland Safari Park Wildlife Animal Reserve and Hotel in the United Kingdom. So basically एक दिन मैं just Instagram पे scroll कर रही थी and I came across this very beautiful place and I was like I have to visit it with my family. So we booked like a 3-day trip. So what we did was कि हमने एक ट्री हाउस बेसिकली बुक करा था फॉर 3 days. आई वॉज सुप्रीमली एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस ट्रिप बिकॉज आई वॉज so mesmerized by the pictures and by the videos and all of that. So basically this was how the tree house looked in from the inside. I was so taken aback by the beauty of the property. मतलब मुझे यकीन नहीं हो रहा था कि जंगल के बीचों बीच इन्होंने एक इतना 5-star kind of a property बनाई हुई and they have maintained it and built it so beautifully. So this was how it looked in from the inside. The very next morning, this was the view from the balcony of the tree house. It was so nice. What we did was that early in the morning, just after getting up and just after having our tea and coffee, we left to just take a round of the place. We just wanted to see कि exactly animal reserve कैसा है, आसपास हमारे क्या क्या है. I had planned multiple events, like these events were pre-booked events basically. So उसमें था feeding the giraffes, feeding the gorillas, viewing the carnivores and all of that. And plus I had also booked like a typical safari जो हमें like typical एक jungle safari kind of an experience होता है. And I was supremely excited for that. Of course I was extremely excited for feeding the giraffes and feeding the gorillas because that was something like that was one of a kind of an experience जो मुझे लगा था मेरी life का होगा. And yeah, so what we did was that once we had our fair share of rounds in and around, we came back to the tree house. We got ready. Post I got ready, I saw some of these very beautiful birds sitting in my balcony and knocking on the door of my balcony. And what I could understand of it was that they were hungry, and I was right. They were supremely hungry. And मेरे पास जो भी biscuits थे, रोटी थी, bread थी, चपाती थी, I just broke them into pieces and I gave them. They were supremely hungry. मतलब एक point पे तो इतनी सारी birds आई थी that I was like, oh wow, it was such a nice experience. Post which we left from our tree house. So basically हर guest को, हर family को, they had given like an electronic cart which the family could take around the property without any time constraint या हमें किसी employee की help लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी, किसी guide को हमें बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. We could just take in this cart and go around जितना भी हमें घूमना था, जहाँ पे भी हमें घूमना था. So before our events that were planned for the day, we had a couple of hours to just roam around, explore the property, explore the animal reserve, the safari and all of that. So what we did was that हमने अपनी electronic cart ली and we left to see how the property is, कि exactly हमें क्या क्या animals दिख सकते हैं on our way. And we just wanted to enjoy the beautiful weather. I mean, I was so like I really felt so happy from within जब मैंने I was sitting on that electronic cart, like the winds, the cold breeze and all of that was so refreshing and so nice. So as we were going on this electronic cart, we did come across a couple of animals जो मैंने आज से पहले अपनी life में कभी भी live witness नहीं करे थे. As we were going on the cart, we spotted one of the first animals. We immediately parked the cart and we got off the cart to witness this a very huge animal which was like a rhino. So I have never ever seen a rhino in my real life. I've just seen it movies made Discovery channels and all of that, and I was so mesmerized by its beauty. So we just stood there, watched the rhino for some time. The rhino watched us for some time, and then we left saying tata to the rhino. Then we again sat on our cart and spotted the next animal, which was like a jackal. I felt like okayish post seeing it because it was like a very scary animal. Like it मतलब बहुत pleasant looking animal नहीं था. So I was like, okay, I can just have a look and then we can just move forward. So what we did was that वहाँ पे we just asked a couple of employees and guides that if we can witness and actually see a lion and tiger in front of our eyes, and they were like, of course you can, you just have to go up to the lion lodge and to the tiger lodge, and there you will be able to see them. So our first thought was कि हमें directly वो ही देखना है, and we took our electronic cart straight up to the lion lodge, and we were super excited to witness the king of the jungle right in front of our eyes. And here we were in the lion lodge, and these were the magnificent beautiful creatures. मतलब मैं बता नहीं सकती that the actual aura that they had around them was so beautiful. मतलब मुझे इनको देख के अंदर से इतना ज़्यादा like I felt so happy and so satisfied to see them right in front of my eyes. Like I was like, this was like one of those wish list में जो एक wish होती है आपकी to be able to see a lion or a tiger right in front of my eyes. So वो मेरी पूरी हो गई. They were so beautiful, so huge, and yet so graceful. So this was like a couple that they had placed separately. This was like एक थोड़े से बड़े couple that they had placed separately. So post witnessing such beautiful creatures, we stood there for some time. हमने सिर्फ उनको खड़े होके वहाँ पे देखा. We were just trying to soak in the fact कि actually lion हमारी आंखों के सामने है. Post which we went to see the tiger. On our way we spotted such beautiful huts. Like मुझे ये typical ये जवानी है दीवानी kind of vibes दे रहे थे. It was such a filmy kind of a setup. These huts were so cute, so filmy, so aesthetic. Post viewing such a beautiful view, we immediately left towards the tiger lodge. So basically lion lodge and tiger lodge के बीच में walking distance था. So we just walked our way there. वहाँ पे we spotted again one of the very beautiful creatures, which is a very beautiful tiger. So there were again a couple of tigers जो इन्होंने अलग से place करे हुए थे. What we got to know a little later was that जितने भी old टाइगर्स हैं या ओल्ड लॉयंस हैं उनको उन्होंने सेपरेटली प्लेस किया हुआ है, बिकॉज दे डू नॉट वांट देम टू मिंगल विद द यंग ग्रुप, बिकॉज देन वो अग्रेसिव हो जाते हैं, दे डू नॉट गो टुगेदर वेल, वो जनरेशन गैप आ जाता है. सो व्हाट वी डिड वाज दैट वी सॉ दीज ओल्ड tigers are right in front of our eyes. After a point मैंने recording बंद कर दी, मैंने pictures लेना बंद कर दिया. I stood there for good 15 to 20 minutes just seeing such beautiful creatures right in front of my eyes. I was so happy with the fact that I could like I am one of those lucky people who have actually been able to see creatures right in front of my eyes. Like I actually got the chance to do so. Post this we were supremely hungry, so we immediately left to find a cafe to have a good breakfast. Of course हमने सुबह से कुछ खा नहीं था, so all of us were very hungry. So this was one of the first cafes that we spotted. We went right into it to see अगर हमें कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है and if we would want to buy something from here and have it. Unfortunately I could not find anything जो मुझे अच्छा लगेगा. So just right next to it there was like a gift shop. So what we thought was that we can hold the breakfast for some time, like we can maybe just postpone it for about 15-20 minutes, just have a look at the gift shop and at the souvenir shop, buy maybe a couple of things to keep like a memory. And we were like that okay हम एक बार सिर्फ एक्सप्लोर कर लेते हैं बेसिकली गिफ्ट शॉप एंड कुछ चीज़ें खरीद लेते हैं जिससे वी ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस वेरी 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 ब्यूटिफुल ट्रिप. It was such a beautiful souvenir gift shop. मतलब there were so many things to choose from. After a point मैं इतनी clueless और इतनी confused हो गई थी कि मैं क्या लूँ. There were these very small plastic के souvenirs इन्होंने बनाए हुए of different animals. Then there were merchandise, there were water bottles, tumblers, stuffed toys. There were so many things to choose from, and I was like for quite some time I was just contemplating कि मैं क्या लूँ मैं क्या ना लूँ. I really wanted to buy something cute and something जो मुझे हमेशा याद दिलाएगा of my trip to this very 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 beautiful place. So towards the end of the video I will definitely show you कि मैंने क्या खरीदा. Till then you guys please keep on guessing कि मैंने क्या खरीदा होगा. I bought something which is very cute and very nice. So post our shopping session हमने थोड़ा सा और गिफ्ट शॉप एक्सप्लोर करी, वी गॉट द थिंग्स दैट वी वांटेड, एंड देन वी अगेन टुक आवर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कार्ट एंड देन वी वेंट ऑन टू एक्सप्लोर अनदर कैफ़े. ऑल ऑफ अस वर वेरी हंग्री, हमने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया था, एंड बिफोर आर इवेंट्स वी रियली वांटेड टू हैव समथिंग बिकॉज देन वी थॉट दैट जब हमारे इवेंट का टाइम हो जाएगा, जब हमारी बुकिंग का टाइम होगा, देन वी वोंट बी एबल टू हैव एनी थिंग, एंड यू नो दोज बुकिंग्स and those events would last for good 1 hour. So we thought that we should have like a hearty breakfast. The only problem was जो मैंने face करी during my stay at this very beautiful hotel was that there were not any, I would say, like मैं ये भी नहीं बोल सकती कि एक आधा था, but there were no Indian restaurants, so we could not find anything Indian. Everything was so English, so British, so you know we just had to find something flavorful, something filling, something hearty जिससे हमारा पेट for quite some time भर जाए, and then we do not feel hungry in between the safari or in between feeding the animals, like the different animals that we had booked in. So what we did was that we just went on to explore different cafes. We asked a couple of people, we did our internet research to see if we'll be able to find a nice cafe जिससे हमारा you know जो हमें कुछ टेस्टी खाना ऑफर कर सके. बेसिकली ऑफकोर्स बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड थी, सो यू नो द हमारे जो हंगर पैंक्स थे वो ऑफकोर्स बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ते जा रहे थे मिनट बाय मिनट, एंड वी जस्ट टुक आर ई कार्ट एंड वेट to this base camp cafe. So basically base camp cafe was one of those cafes जो इनका main cafe था, which was near the reception area, and that was their main cafe, which was like the cafe जिसमें most of the चीज़ें मिलती हैं. On our way to that base camp cafe we spotted this huge truck of safari truck basically, and I was super excited to go for my safari. जब भी मैंने booking करवाई थी उस हिसाब से I was supremely excited. So you know on our way again to the base camp cafe we spotted this leopard kind of an animal. It wasn't a leopard, it was an animal related to the leopard family. We finally reached the base camp cafe, and we were so hungry that we immediately went inside and we you know picked up the stuff that each of us liked. We had our fair share of sandwiches, muffins, juice and all of that. And then we went on to our very first booking for the day, which was Feed the Giraffes. So this was our very kind and extremely knowledgeable guide. He was extremely knowledgeable. I don't know, मतलब उनको सब कुछ पता था related to giraffes, and he was one of those people who really wanted to tell other people the knowledge that he had. Like he did not want to just keep it within himself. He was like मैं सब बताऊंगा आज आपको. He was that talkative yet very intelligent. So basically we reached the giraffe house. So basically giraffes ko, like the time that we visited was definitely one of the best times that we visit a safari like a jungle, but they said that they cannot keep the giraffes in the open because उनके हिसाब से बहुत ज़्यादा अभी भी ठंड है, and they have to keep them in this you know covered shelter kind of a thing where they have their heaters put on and all of that. So here the guide did tell us that how we actually have to feed the giraffe and how you know we have to be very patient while we are feeding them. So basically he told us the trick that how we actually have to bring the leaves you know in front of giraffe ka mouth, and then the giraffe will you know with his tongue twist those leaves and have it in. I was so mesmerized by the beauty of these creatures, and this particular giraffe was Gary. He was so sweet. He was the only one among the lot जिसको उस दिन भूख लगी हुई थी, and इसकी वजह से हमारा इवेंट बुकिंग सक्सेसफुल हुआ बिकॉज और तो कोई नहीं खा रहा था. अगर ये भी नहीं खाता तो यू नो वी वुड हैव नॉट हैड दैट फन ऑफ फीडिंग द जिराफ्स का पूरा जो हमने बुक किया था. सो हियर आई वाज ट्राइंग टू फीड दिस वेरी ह्यूज एंड क्यूट जिराफ. द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस वाज कि मुझे लगा दैट दीज क्रीचर्स आर सो टॉल, सो ह्यूज येट सो कम. मतलब इनके फेस पे मुझे एक शांति थी, मुझे इतनी अच्छी लगी. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव देम. ऑल ऑफ देम वर सो क्यूट, एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट देम जो मुझे लगी, मतलब टिल डेट आई जस्ट रिकॉल दिस थिंग इन माई माइंड इज देयर आई लैशेस. देयर आई लैशेस आर so beautiful. Like these are actually very pretty creatures. So we fed them for some time. I hope you had fun watching this video. Please stay tuned for part 2. Bye bye. Take care. Love you.